In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export clip from DaVinci Resolve. We will go from a finished edit to a single exported file you can share or upload. Go to the edit page. If you are not already there, look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve for the word edit with a small timeline icon. When the edit page is active, you will see your timeline at the bottom, a viewer at the top, and your media bins on the left. This is where you do most of your cutting and trimming during an edit. Now select the clip you want to export. Click directly on that clip in the timeline so it highlights, usually with a different color outline. Make sure only that one clip is highlighted, not the entire timeline. A common beginner mistake is having multiple clips selected, which can change what DaVinci Resolve thinks you want to work with. If you need to change your mind, just click on a different clip and the highlight will move to that one. With your clip selected, go to the Deliver page. At the bottom of the interface, click Deliver, which usually shows a small rocket icon. When the Deliver page opens, you will see your preview at the top, a large panel of export options on the left, and a render queue panel on the right. The timeline here will still show the same sequence of clips as in the edit page. Next, right-click the selected clip in the timeline and choose Render this clip. This tells DaVinci Resolve to ignore the rest of the timeline and only prepare this single highlighted clip for export. After you choose Render this clip, you will notice that the Export Settings panel updates to focus on that specific clip. This option is very handy when you want to export a small section without creating a separate project or timeline. Now choose your export settings, for example MP4 and H.264. In the Render Settings panel on the left, make sure the format is set to MP4 and the codec to H.264 if that is your goal. MP4 with H.264 is widely accepted by video platforms and works well for most general use. You can also adjust resolution and frame rate here, which control how sharp and how smooth your video will be. Any change you make here is applied as soon as you start the render. There is no extra save button for these settings. After that, choose where to save the file. In the same panel, look for the location or file path field and click the Browse button next to it. A system window opens where you can pick a folder, such as your videos folder or a project folder. You can also type a clear file name so you recognize this exported clip later. When you confirm, you will see that new path listed in the Render Settings panel. With that ready, click Add to Render Queue. Your job appears in the Render Queue panel on the right side of the screen, usually with the name you just set. If you change your mind before rendering, you can remove this job from the queue and add it again with new settings. Finally, click Render All. DaVinci Resolve starts processing, and you will see a progress bar move across the job in the queue. When it finishes, the status changes to completed, and your new clip is saved in the folder you chose. You have now exported a single clip from DaVinci Resolve as its own video file, ready to share or upload. If this helped you get your clip out cleanly, please give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want more quick DaVinci tips.